Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. A tornado that hit two Chinese provinces on Friday killed 7, injuring hundreds. Two dangerous tornadoes ripped through the China's central city of Wuhan and the town of Eastern Province in Jiangsu and toppled 27 houses and damaged 130 more, as well as two tower cranes and 8,000 square meters of sheds at the construction sites. 6 people were reported dead in Wuhan in Hubei province, with 218 injured after a tornado ripped through the district of Kaidan. The tornadoes came as a surprise to the locals, as it is quite rare in the region. Another tornado struck the town of Shangzhe in the Songzhou area of tornado-prone Jingzhou province, killing 1 person and injuring 21. The winds damaged electricity facilities and toppled several factory buildings. Tornadoes often hit Jingzhou in late spring and early summer. China's commercial hub of Shanghai, which is 100 kilometers from Suzhou, was also hit by powerful thunderstorms, prompting weather officials to declare an alert. The country's weather bureau on Tuesday said that climate change could cause more extreme weather events following floods, drought, and extreme high temperatures in some regions this year. Stormy weather returned to the parts of China late this week, including the city of Wuhan. A storm system moved into the East China late this week and began to reorganize after exiting the mountainous terrain of the Central Asia. As the storm gathered over the southeastern China, it pulled in the moisture from the South China Sea. The increased moisture helped to fuel the areas of showers and thunderstorms that will continue to spread across the southern areas through Saturday night. Any thunderstorms can become heavy and threaten the area with heavy downpours, gusty winds, and frequent lightning strikes. While storms will bring their own potential threats, steadier rainfall is expected across the rest of the southeastern China. The heaviest rain is forecast to fall along the path of the storm from the parts of eastern China and may extend as far as south by Saturday night. This will include Guizhou and Hunan, two provinces that reported deadly landslides in the late March and early April after frequent downpours moved through the areas. However, if the storm tracks farther north, it could bring periods of heavier rainfall to the city of Wuhan. The city has already received rain of 5.6 millimeters as of early Saturday local time. After the heavy tornado, rainfall totals can climb to 13 to 25 millimeters across southeastern China. Area that receives prolonged downpours could receive rainfall totals as high as 25 to 50 millimeters. While rainfall totals of the amount can easily lead to localized flash flooding, the wet weather pattern and saturated soil will increase the risk for more widespread flash flooding and mudslides. With stormy weather expected into the weekend, residents of southeastern China are reminded to be aware of quickly changing weather conditions. The storm will then move into the East China Sea into Sunday morning, where it is forecast to intensify further. This storm could swing north to impact southern Japan Sunday into Monday. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.